Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check available ports on your computer and each monitor, and have the correct cables or adapters ready. Once connected, power the displays and set the input on each monitor. Next, plug in the primary display and let the system detect it. Make sure the OS recognizes one screen before adding others. If a monitor doesn't appear, reseat cables and try the adapter on another port. This gets you into the setup flow without delays. Once displays are detected, open your system display controls to arrange and configure them. Drag screens to match physical layout, then pick Extend versus Mirror, depending on whether you want separate workspaces. Adjust resolution and scaling for readability and match refresh rates where possible to reduce tearing. Install or update GPU drivers, and open the graphics control panel for advanced options like display grouping or forcing color profile. Finish by designating your primary display and configuring taskbar or dock placement so apps open where you expect them. Tweak color calibration and enable night light or HDR if needed, then confirm window snapping and keyboard shortcuts work across screens. Save profiles if your GPU software supports them so future setups are faster. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting step is simple. Recheck cables and input selection. Reboot the graphics driver or the computer, then swap cables to isolate a faulty port or monitor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.